In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your post on Instagram. Okay, so if you go to your profile on Instagram, you'll see all your posts. Now, if for an example, I tap on one of my posts right now, you can see I don't have a boost post option on my profile at the moment. That's because I'm on a personal account and not a professional account. So you have to switch your account to a professional account first. So hit the three lines at the top right hand corner of your profile, then go to settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom till you get the account type and tools section. There it is there. I'm going to tap on that and you want to switch to professional account, the first option. Okay, just tap on next, continue, and I'll just select digital creator here and then I'll click on done. That'll just take a moment to create my professional account. I'll choose creator. Okay, you can boost posts on creator accounts. Okay, so I'll tap on not now and that's it. So now I can exit out of here. And now if I tap on one of my posts, you can actually see the boost post button right there. So all you have to do is tap on boost post. This will open up the menu, what you can do with your post. So you have to choose the post, which we've done, and you just have to click. So it says at the top, help people discover your services, boost their post or story to invite new customers. So tap on boost, and this is the post that I want to boost. So then tap on next. You can choose any other post, and now you need to select your what you want to do with this. So do you want more profile visits, more websites visits, or more messages? Usually what is a good one is more profile visits, and then you can tap on next and you just have to go through this procedure. You can see there's 5 steps or 4 steps that you have to complete. So select the target. You can either create your own audience or select it automatically. So for an example, I'll tap on automatic, just go next, and this is where you set your budget. It can be as low as $1 per day all the way up to $1,000 per day. So you can set, for an example, $1 per day, and then you just have to choose the duration. So do you want this for up to 30 days or just 3 days, whatever it is. And you can see at the top, over 5 days, I'm going to spend $5 and I should reach about 580 to 1,500. And then you just go next, you add your payment method, and then you can boost your post. Okay, so that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.